Today, we are cooking quinoa jollof with pork chops. Start by dicing your onion and garlic. Heat up some coconut oil in a pot and add in the onions. Let it fry and add in tomato paste. Now add in blended fresh tomatoes, stir and cover it to cook. Add some chicken stock and let it simmer. Season with some mixed herbs and salt. Fetch a bit of the stew for later. Wash the quinoa and add it into the stew. Add about 1.5 parts water and stir. Cover it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now add in chopped carrots and peas and stir it well. Cover with the foil to trap in the heat and leave to cook. For the pork chops, add some olive oil to the pork, add salt, barbecue seasoning, garlic and herbs, paprika and mix well. Put a little oil into a hot pan, add the seasoned pork, cook for about 10 minutes and add in chopped garlics. Cook till pork is well done. Serve the jollof, add in the pork and add a little stew and enjoy. The rough.